Imagine a place where the Caribbean Sea kisses the sky, where two islands unite to form one incredible nation. Welcome to St. Kitts and Nevis. Nestled in the heart of the Caribbean, this dual-island nation is a part of the Leeward Islands chain, tucked away in the Lesser Antilles. Each island, a story of its own, forms a symphony of rolling hills, azure waters, and vibrant cultures. St. Kitts, the larger sibling, is home to the capital city, Basseterre, while Nevis, the smaller of the two, is a paradise of tranquility. Together, they paint a breathtaking picture of the Caribbean's charm. An oasis in the sea, St. Kitts and Nevis is a Caribbean gem waiting to be discovered. Dive into the rich tapestry of history that weaves St. Kitts and Nevis together. Nestled in the heart of the Caribbean, St. Kitts and Nevis is a nation with a story that reaches back through the centuries. A story etched in the stones of the Brimstone Hill Fortress National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and a testament to the island's colonial history. This exceptionally well-preserved fortress stands as a silent witness to the tumultuous past of the islands. It was here, on these ramparts, that the battles of empire were fought, the echoes of cannon fire still reverberating in the wind. The fortress, once a key military post during the European colonial struggle in the Caribbean, is a symbol of the resilience and determination of the people of St. Kitts and Nevis. Its imposing stone walls, built by enslaved Africans, have withstood the test of time, much like the indomitable spirit of the islanders themselves. But the story of St. Kitts and Nevis isn't just one of colonial rule. It's also a tale of liberation and self-determination. In the shadow of the fortress, the islands began their journey to independence. A journey that culminated on September 19, 1983, when St. Kitts and Nevis emerged from the shackles of colonial rule, forging a new path as a sovereign nation. This was a significant milestone in the island's history, marking a new era of self-governance. It was a testament to the tenacity and courage of its people, who had endured centuries of foreign domination and were now ready to chart their own course. Today, the islands are a federal parliamentary democracy and a constitutional monarchy, with a prime minister at the helm. This dual-island nation is a beacon of stability in the Caribbean, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people and the strength of their democratic institutions. So, as we journey through the annals of St. Kitts and Nevis's history, we're not just exploring a past rich with colonial grandeur and struggle. We're also witnessing the birth of a nation, the evolution of a society, and the unyielding spirit of a people. This dual-island nation, steeped in history, is a testament to the resilience and determination of its people. Embark on a culinary journey through the vibrant flavors of St. Kitts and Nevis. Picture this: the sun is setting, the air is filled with the sweet scent of tropical fruits, and you're about to dive into the national dish, stewed saltfish. This isn't your ordinary meal, oh no. This is a plate heaped with history, culture, and most importantly, a symphony of flavors. Stewed saltfish is a mouth-watering blend of salted codfish, simmered to perfection with ripe tomatoes, onions, and a medley of peppers. The stew is often served with a side of spicy plantains, seasoned breadfruit, and coconut dumplings, adding an extra layer of tropical goodness to this already delightful dish. Each ingredient tells a story, a testament to the island's rich agricultural heritage and the resourcefulness of its people. This is more than just a dish. It's a celebration of St. Kitts and Nevis's culinary traditions. In every bite, you'll taste the spirit of the islands. Let the rhythm of St. Kitts and Nevis move you. The islands are home to a symphony of sounds that will get your feet tapping and your heart singing. The music of St. Kitts and Nevis is an eclectic blend, a mix of traditional and modern, local and global. Calypso, with its infectious beats and witty lyrics, is a mainstay, often used as a platform for social commentary and satire. Soca, a high-energy offshoot of calypso, is the soundtrack of the vibrant street carnivals, with its pulsating rhythms compelling you to dance. Reggae, the voice of the Caribbean, resonates deeply here, echoing the island's history, culture, and spirit. And then, there's the mesmerizing sound of steel pan music. Originated in Trinidad and Tobago, it found a home in St. Kitts and Nevis, its sweet, melodious notes becoming a part of the island's unique soundscape. St. Kitts and Nevis is not just a feast for the eyes, but also for the ears. Meet the people who put St. Kitts and Nevis on the map. When thinking of the pride of St. Kitts and Nevis, one can't help but celebrate the individuals who have made significant contributions to the nation's identity. Sir Simeon Daniel, the country's first chief minister, played a pivotal role in shaping the nation's political landscape. His tireless efforts towards enhancing the socio-economic conditions of his people are remembered and cherished even today. On the sporting front, Kim Collins, an Olympic sprinter, has brought immense glory to the Twin Island nation. Known for his lightning speed, Collins has won numerous international medals, making his country proud on the global stage. In the world of cricket, Kieran Powell, an accomplished cricketer, has also left an indelible mark with his exceptional performances. But the pride of this nation isn't just about individuals. It's also about the symbols that represent its unique identity. The brown pelican, the national bird, symbolizes the island's rich biodiversity. The flamboyant, the national flower, with its vibrant red petals, mirrors the vivacious spirit of the people. However, the heartbeat of St. Kitts and Nevis is arguably found in its national sport, cricket. The love for this sport runs deep in the veins of the locals. The thrilling matches, the cheer of the crowd, the sense of unity, it's all part of the national spirit. Whether it's a friendly neighborhood match or an international tournament, cricket is more than a game here. It's a way of life. In the end, it's not just about the land, the sea, or the picturesque landscapes. The true pride of St. Kitts and Nevis lies in its people, their achievements, their symbols, and their shared passions. It's a nation that celebrates its heroes, cherishes its unique identity, and unites under the banner of their beloved sport, cricket. Experience the raw, natural beauty of St. Kitts and Nevis. This dual-island nation is a testament to nature's power and majesty, carved and shaped over millennia by volcanic forces. The islands themselves are volcanic, a fact that is evident in their dramatic landscapes. On St. Kitts, the highest peak is Mount Liamuiga, standing tall at 3,792 feet above sea level. This dormant volcano, once known as Mount Misery, is now a popular spot for hiking, offering those who reach the summit unparalleled views of the island's lush rainforest, the sparkling Caribbean Sea, and on a clear day, the neighboring islands. Nevis, the smaller of the two islands, is not to be outdone. Its highest point, Nevis Peak, reaches an impressive 3,232 feet. Shrouded in mystery and often in mist, the peak is a captivating sight, a reminder of the island's fiery birth. One of the most popular natural attractions on St. Kitts is Black Rocks, a dramatic formation of ancient lava rocks on the northeastern coast. Created by volcanic activity, these blackened rocks bear the marks of their fiery origin. As the waves crash against them, it's a sight that captures the untamed beauty of these islands. From its volcanic peaks to its rugged coastline, St. Kitts and Nevis is a paradise for nature lovers. As we say goodbye to St. Kitts and Nevis, we're left with a kaleidoscope of impressions. This dual-island nation, nestled in the Caribbean Sea, has taken us on a journey through its rich history, from its volcanic roots to its colonial past. We've tasted the flavors of the tropics, savoring stewed saltfish and spicy plantains, and swayed to the rhythm of calypso, soca, and reggae. We've met some extraordinary individuals, from Olympians to prime ministers who call these islands home. We've marveled at the natural beauty, from the towering peaks of Mount Liamuiga and Nevis Peak to the rugged allure of Black Rocks. Through it all, we've seen a nation that lives by its motto, country above self, a testament to the spirit of its people. St. Kitts and Nevis, a dual-island nation that's more than just a tropical paradise, it's a place where history, culture, and nature intertwine to create a truly unique Caribbean experience. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel for more content.